and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this is a cardboard box, as you can see. The box actually isn't important, it's what's going in the box that's important. Some of you may be familiar with a charity here in the UK called Models for Heroes, and what they do is they take models and modelling equipment and they supply it to various charities and such. And the idea behind it is it's to provide a therapeutic activity for ex-service personnel who may be suffering from PTSD or various other conditions, and it's just, you know, something a bit relaxing for them to do to kind of help out. So there's a couple of cheap supermarkets here in the UK, primarily Lidl and Aldi, and quite often they sell these. These are Airfix starter kits. Now this one's a Spitfire obviously, so but they come with brushes, paints, glue, pretty much everything you need in the box to build the kit. Normally these cost about £10 each. Lidl and Aldi quite often have them on sale and they sell them for £5. So what I've done is I've bought this and this and this and this Hurricane, Cutty Sark for anybody who doesn't want to build a plane, Mitsubishi Zero. You've seen me build one of these before, one of these Airfix ones. There's a Mustang and 109 and a Cromwell tank. So I'm going to box these up and send them off to Models for Heroes. Now I was thinking when I was looking at these packs, and I was thinking, oh yeah, you've got everything you need to build a model. But of course you haven't really, because you've got all the paint and the glue and everything. But the first thing I thought is, well, there's no way to get the parts off the frames. So what I did was I went into the pound shop and I bought some of these. Now these are little manicure sets. I've got one open here. And what they've got in them, they're not great, I mean they're from the pound shop. But you've got 2 pairs of clippers, there's a pair of scissors for cutting out your decals and whatnot, little nail file that might come in handy, a pair of tweezers and a metal pokey thing. But the clippers are going to be useful for getting stuff off the frames, and then you can use the rest of the bits as necessary. So I bought 5 of these, and I'm also going to put in a roll of my Vibat masking tape, because I've got tons of this stuff, and it's quite cheap, but it's really good masking tape. I've got about 20 rolls of this, so one roll isn't going to affect me too much. So yeah, this is just a few bits that I've thrown together. Hasn't cost me a great deal of money, and hopefully it will help out some people that are you know, in distress, as it were. Now this is really, this is not me virtue signalling. This is basically to raise awareness of the charity. And if you happen to be passing Lidl or Aldi or somewhere like that, and you have the means to do so, or if you've got a stash of kits and you think, well, I'm never going to build all of these, you might think about doing something similar. I'll put the website and everything in the description below, and if you can help out, great. If not, even just spread the word. You know, share the charity's website on your social media and whatnot, and we can all do our bit, as it were. So yeah, that was all really. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.